Welcome to Helaman Security Agency, the security services that you can lean on. Our vision and mission is to be the most professional security leader in the industry by delivering the highest quality of professional security services based on trust and confidence.
Para sa akin kasi, doon muna tayo dumako sa definition kung ano ibig sabihin ng security. Security is being a state of free from any form of danger and threat. Today, ang isang araw na napakahalaga sa Helaman. It's a banner year for Helaman to bag this contract. This is a post-class subdivision. Tayo ay nabigyan ng tungkulin para pangalagaan ang kanilang seguridad.
What is safety and security? Safety and security for me is panitiliin pong maayos yung area na nasasakupan ko. Siguraduhin ko po na lahat ng pumapasok na sasakyan, mga tao, nasasala ko po. Sa loob ng 5 taon po na pagkagwardya ko, naging masaya naman po ako kasi marami po ako nakakasalamuhan na iba't ibang tao. May mabait, alam niyo na po, may mga hindi rin maganda yung ugali. Pero bilang gwardiya, kasama na po yun sa trabaho namin eh. Yung madalas na pagsabihan or minsan concern pa kami dahil ginagawa lang naman po namin yung trabaho namin.
Katulad po ng sa GO number 2, to work in a military manner, keeping always in the alert and observing in everything that take place within sight of hearing. Yan po ang motto ko po sa trabaho nito.
Ito ay trabaho para sa kaligtasan ng tao. Kaya pag ikaw ay hired bilang security, kinakailangan maging proactive ka, loyal, alert, at higit sa lahat, whole-hearted ang trabaho mo, hindi yung half-hearted.
Gaano naman po kaalaga yung trabaho na to sa akin? Napakahalaga po kasi number 1, dito po ako kumukuha ng mga pangangailangan ko, sa asawa ko, sa anak ko. Nagpapadala po ako sa kanila. Sa pang-araw-araw po na gastos ko, sa all-in po para sa family po. Kaya po nandito ako.
Pag-igihan ko ang trabahong ito dahil mahal ko ang trabahong ito.
Helaman Agency ay napakita naman nila na yung expectation namin is na-deliver naman ng 2 security officer namin dito.
Based on our assessment, the strength of Helaman lies on their competency to maintain peace, order, and security. We really value their professionalism as well as respect for all. We look forward to the start of our collaboration with Helaman. Thank you!
Why choose Helaman? Well-trained security personnel. Our personnel are ready and available for immediate posting. Second, useful security and incident reports. Action plans are generated for a proactive approach to security management.
We are Helaman!
We are Helaman! We are Helaman!
We are Helaman!
We are Helaman!
We are Helaman!
We are Helaman!
We are Helaman! We are Helaman! Astig!
We are Helaman!
Fully compliant with Philippine government regulations. Clients are assured that Helaman Security consistently remits proper payments of corporate taxes, including VAT and withholding taxes. All government-mandated benefits have also complied. Responsive and security managers and staff. Helaman is manned by competent, experienced, and highly professional staff. We are proud to say that we have the right people and the right skills and attitude. At the end of the day, our goals are simple: safety and security.